Next weekend, a big one as well, and it does look like we'll have some rain around for the weekend, and I actually have a little higher chance now for St. Patrick's Day itself, but we will see. Models aren't still in very good agreement. Right now, though, we're in the 60s, and we have seen clouds move in for sure. We may see them break up again in a few hours, but we can see our temperatures lower to middle 60s. Our winds are mainly from the east, and that will be the trend today instead of that northerly flow we had over the weekend, keeping us dry and keeping us cool, and in fact chilly in the mornings. We are going to be seeing eventually east and then southeast winds later today. Now, interestingly, you can see the clouds here streaming over. They are not completely filled in all the way to the west, so we'll see. We'll have breaks coming later on. But of course, you may notice the green over us. Actually, most of our sites, or all of our sites, are not reporting rain. So this may be rain that the radar is picking up on farther up, and we're not actually seeing it reach the ground. But certainly we have the clouds. A sprinkle or two might be possible, maybe a 10% or so chance for a shower. But we're really looking at mainly dry conditions today. And again, maybe some sun coming out within the next couple of hours. Temperatures upper 60s, and then we're falling back into the 50s for later on this evening. So clouds, maybe some sun later. That's the story for our sky cover today. Comfy feel as temperatures just stay in the 60s. And then tonight we do have another pretty cold night. We started today and even yesterday in the 40s and 50s. And I have a similar forecast for tomorrow, both north of the lake in the 40s and south of Lake Pontchartrain, including New Orleans, in the lower 50s. So one more chilly kind of start on your Tuesday morning, and then we'll be a little bit warmer from then on in the mornings and also the afternoons, getting near 80. And of course, our rain chance going up too. Wednesday, only about a 20 or 30% chance for a couple of showers. Thursday, maybe 30–40% chance, a little higher chance for a couple of those showers. And then Friday, it does look like we will have rain in the area. A little lower chance Saturday. And then here's what I have for Sunday, St. Patrick's Day. Temperatures middle to upper 70s. And I have about a 60% rain chance right now. But we will see. We have another system moving in for the weekend, and that will determine especially its speed, how fast it moves through. And then also there's a cold front coming sometime late Sunday. So if it comes late enough, perhaps we get less rain during the day and more so at night. That might be good for parties and parades. But actually right now our models do have a bit of rain on Sunday too. Now that was Friday. You saw, I'll show you the GFS model. They're not in perfect sync, but they both have rain around through the weekend. Saturday, it keeps us dry. Sunday, this is by noon. It actually has us dry for a big chunk of the day, but it has rain moving in the evening. So this would be 5–6 p.m. and we've got some rain in the area. Now, interestingly, the European model yesterday and over the weekend had a drier forecast for St. Patrick's Day, and now it has more rain. Let me show you. This is Friday. It does have some rain on Friday afternoon, evening. It also has a mostly dry day Saturday, but this is by 5 p.m. starting to see some showers work in. So we will see again about timing, but Saturday looking like the drier and maybe better day for events. And then look at this, Sunday noon, it has more rain. Again, interestingly, the model runs from hours ago. We're showing a drier forecast, and then by 7 p.m. it still has the rain in the area. Rain totals in the blues maybe up to 1 or 2 inches, and the reds would be more like 2+ inches a little farther to the north. So again, we will see. I would count on maybe some rain Sunday. Might think about some rain gear if you do have plans over the weekend for those St. Patrick's Day parades. Should still be an okay weekend. Our temperatures warm, feeling humid, and at least breaks in the rain, and at least it looks like Saturday a bit drier. But again, we'll keep you updated as those rain chances could change a bit.